What's going on YouTube? Mike here again, another video. Got my new daily on over my right shoulder. 5 Series BMW. One of my first BMWs. I'm not really too fond of European cars, but that was a mistake. You know, I'm all Honda, Acura, import out. But these new 5 Series, the technology in them, Apple CarPlay, all that stuff is ridiculous how it's integrated. It's crazy. And you know, I wanted a little more of a family car. You know, I just had my son, if you guys didn't know, had a healthy baby boy. I'm proud of that, but I wanted something, you know, they can't be riding around in like old 90 Hondas for the rest of their life with no AC. But I need to take this in. We're in Vegas, there's no tinted windows as you can see, and it looks too stock for me, so I gotta kind of, you know, give it a little more. So I'm gonna take it to Carlos's in our shop, kind of deck it out the way we want it. Not too crazy because like it's a family car, I don't want to slam it to the ground, so it's like uncomfortable for my children. Right?
Oh, bro, you'll fuck yourself up.
Oh yeah?
What, yeah, they're like literally you think it's brake.
Really?
Gas. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
So close.
So tiny. That one's better. This one has this.
That panel.
It's weird. I think it's for the wheel well, and that one has a longer wheel well section, so that it has space.
Yeah. Ooh, ghost riding. Ghost ride the whip. Ghost ride, dude. That's what you want to do. Like ride the doors out like that. That would be pretty.
I'm going on the pink side.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You are good. Dude, you can give somebody a high five through this window. Look, you got a high five.
Yeah, no, for sure.
High five, guy. Plap, plap.
High five.
What do you think about the whip, bro?
Oh,
It's the family soccer momish
soccer momish.
daily.
There's nothing soccer momish about this car.
But I need the treatment, bro. I need the lab treatment.
You need it to look less soccer momish.
I need it to look less like everyone else's. What do you think?
So we'll chrome delete, powder coat wheel. Let me shut this so we can.
Okay. I need some
Tender loving care.
I need some tender loving care. We just got this thing. It's, I don't know, it doesn't come with any tint or anything like that. It's Vegas, it's hot.
Right.
So
we're gonna tint her up, put some IR ceramic, Avery Dennison, very nice stuff. Personal opinion, powder coat, window tint, chrome delete, tail light tint, and I think you're in the game.
You think so?
I really think that's what you need to wake this sucker up.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, get rid of the chrome. There's a lot of black accents already on there. That'll tie everything in. These jerks.
Oh, dude, I know they do that from factory though.
Yeah,
they put that.
Yeah.
So anyway, I got touch-up paint. I'm gonna do a thing where you drill them and then put that paint. You have to. They give you from factory. They give you
the
like
caps.
Yeah, the caps. I mean, I have the caps. I gotta do something with those. Whatever you think looks good, because for me, I really wanted to get like I wanted the wheels powder coated.
Yeah.
You know, I want to keep the BMW the same.
Yeah.
And I was going to go for
keep the BMW the same. The logo?
Yeah, or like not.
No, we're gonna change that. Did you know that?
It spins? Does it spin?
Oh, you didn't know that?
Oh, it spins? Dude, it's got spree wheel.
Yeah.
Spree wheel?
Yeah. You didn't know that?
Did anyone know this?
No, nobody knows that because those are aftermarket. Those are not stock.
Are you serious? How'd you know they're aftermarket?
I just figured out what they did to the front over there. That's pretty
Dude,
cool. I felt them. I'm like, what the?
Pretty tight, dude.
Dude, the spinning, they spinning. They spinning?
Yeah, they're spinners.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man, they even got a counterweight in the back. Stop fucking around.
It's a little, but you know why? I was getting I was gonna try to get some wheels on this thing, but when you powder coat things black, because I wanted black wheels, they kind of all look the same.
Yeah, they're pretty close. I mean, when they're moving, nobody can tell what you have in it.
No one, even from 10 feet away, you can't really tell any of the spokes, you can barely see.
No, and you got brand new tires, bro. I wouldn't recommend changing.
Yeah, new tire.
And the ride is so much nicer.
It's true. I'm not trying to I'm taking my kids in this. I'm not trying to like slam it to the ground on bags.
You wanna.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, of course. You want it to be comfortable still.
I want it comfortable, but you do.
Yeah.
Just do. Because we've been having the most difficulty with this bullshit.
Yes. And I'm still lost.
It's because Carlos.
Okay, well, how?
Check it. So we had an issue with the shift selector. He bought this shift selector off of just some random off the street, and had the wrong a wrong part of it for the reverse for RSX.
Okay.
So there's like this little kicker that kicks it into reverse.
Yeah.
He had a different little gear in it, so we had to change that out.
Right.
And then I was saying, hey man, dude, we built it right, dude.
Right.
The tranny's right. The tranny's right. And then I was seeing that this shifter, it prohibits. Like there's not, it hits this.
It hits the wall.
But we couldn't get into reverse until he extends this arm.
Yeah, here, I'll show you kind of one-handed here. If he goes all the way over and I come in here and I push it further.
And I slam it, I can get into reverse.
Go ahead.
It's in reverse.
Oh, it's in reverse, okay.
It's in reverse. But the car does reverse. So we started it. Do you want to see it again?
Well, I gotta make it happen. I gotta make it happen naturally, right? Not forcing it. But yeah, I see what you're saying. It has a reverse. It goes in. So I just have to. Well, we're gonna go to the drawing board.
We're gonna look around.
We'll update soon.
Primetime television. Somebody who went through how many?
Fuck you.
I found out that
wasn't the problem though. For my whole reverse, you think?
Okay, yeah, this wasn't your problem.
Okay.
Because
I didn't go through 7 transmission because of this.
No, but I found that problem out too.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Hey, you think? Hey, let me ask you something. You think no? Because I never drilled holes in the K series, but in the K-tuned one. But the K-tuned one has these holes.
Okay, listen. See these little holes? Are you sure?
I promise. The K-tuned one has. It's not flat. It's shaped.
Okay, so see these holes? He drilled these holes
because these 2 screw Allens with the nuts were stick protruding like a 1/4 inch.
And he was like, why doesn't
I don't know. I'm not gonna question it, right? I didn't build it. It was tight. It wasn't loose. So I was like, all right, it doesn't sit flat. As you can see, it scratched that area, right? So what I did was I tapped 2 little holes in here so that these 2 Allen keys would clear. Well, I guess I fucked myself by doing that because in all reality, there's this little spring setup in here with some brass fittings that hold the ball up, right?
This little collar.
Right. So what was going on was when we were going into reverse, when we were pushing it all the way, instead of it giving you that force, it was pushing the collar down because it had too much space. And so now we tightened it, and Mike found it out, so we pulled it off. But actually, before we pulled it off, he noticed it was hitting the wall. It's not supposed to hit the fucking wall.
No.
So we're gonna put it all back together. I pulled the cables off. I was like, oh, it's gonna work. We popped it all the way up, popped it over into reverse. It made the sound. So I was like, all right, we're good, dog. I could jump in and I fucking turned it on just like I told you. Let off the clutch slowly and let off the clutch and it went forward, dog.
So how did it work for me though?
Because I put a screwdriver in here.
How did I do that?
Because I put a screwdriver in here.
No, but how would you do it manually and it didn't go reverse? But how did I do it with a damn shifter?
Force. It's the force. I couldn't do it by hand. It's what I'm telling you. I think it has like a kick up pass. Like right now, if the cables aren't on, you go try to like pull the kicker to get it into reverse. It's like solid. Unless you maybe like with a screwdriver, I'm sure you can get it past it. But I didn't think it went any further. I thought it was maxed out.
Look at my face right now. Oh shit, dude! I found out that because I was like, dude, nah, man. I observed that transmission. There was no way.
No, the transmission's put together.
This fool's magically delicious and thinking.
No, not just that. Like, I just opened it up again and I put it in reverse without anything hooked up. So I'm like, oh, for sure it's gonna work.
Look at that. Motorsport.
On a Honda?
Put that shit in sport. That's the fucking song. And I was all like, these little even shift gears. They're just like, all right, I'm gonna put a fucking button here.
Automatic.
Here you go. Put that shit.
Motorsport.
I put that shit in sport. Do it. Do the shifting. Come on. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. There you go. There you go. No Johnny comment. On the spot.
No comment, dude. So crazy. Finally, this tranny.
You're welcome. I'm giving you so much shit.
Can't believe it, dude. I've taken this thing apart so many times.
I know.
The little shit, right? No worries.
Oh, look. We did a little custom work right here. Carlos with the custom headlight. That's clean right there with the velocity out there, the intake.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Fixing that in reverse.
What's up, dude?
See that reverse go in? Fixes reverse. You're welcome. You're welcome. Woo, look at Jena.
Gears feel 10 times better. It's like way smoother. They're not grinding anymore.
Because the spring's different too.
Grinding.
Stock
Oh,
spring.
the springs are different.
Yeah, because it's the. Well, she's
got reverse, Billy.
she's a full-grown car now.
Damn. It has reverse again.
It has.
Holy shit, dude. That's so crazy.
There we go. We have a complete. Jena's ready to get tuned and
now
ready
she's
to freaking rock and rip.
Now she's ready.
We gotta go.
I'm in awe.
We setting the date. Let's go.
All right.